Good day, guys. Welcome to my channel. So, if you are new and you've not subscribed, please before you go subscribe. We are going to be looking at our GBPUSD our analysis. We will start from our weekly time frame and we will try to predict where our price will be moving for tomorrow. One thing I know for sure is that the movement of our Euro USD and our GBP USD wants to start separating. The movement does not want to move alike. But one thing is that we are going to see where our price will be moving. Now let's get started with our weekly time frame. See it by the way. And currently we are seeing of recent, we all can see that our price is actually bearish move. We are actually on a downward trend on our GBP USD, right? One. Secondly, there was a news that was released where they said no stopping on the increase of interest rates in the US, by the way. So that interest rate itself, once they will start to increase the interest rate, that they won't stop, right? Then the US dollar itself we get stronger, right? We still go bullish. We have more, more strength compared to other currency, which means that our USD would be bullish while our GBP would be bearish. Have that in mind. That is on the fundamental aspect. This is the technical aspect we are seeing here, a bearish move, and on the weekly time frame we would want to short it. Now third, we can see that our price is below our 10 period moving average, by the way. So if you notice that once our price is below our 10 period moving average, we would want to look to actually short this trade, right? So GBP USD, three reasons we very much likely to short on our weekly time frame. Now let's see it this way. This is actually an ICA, right? I want to actually notice something because there's something that might change, that might take a lot of traders out, and I want you to actually notice it because a lot of people want to short it. I've given you three reasons why we will be going short, right? Now see it this way. This was actually this key level that I've just highlighted up, and I will be highlighting another key level. You see this level, once our price gets to this level, it pushes up, right? It came to this level again and it's bounce up. Now our price is at this level. What are we expecting? Now we are now expecting a bullish move again. Do you now see that all this reason that I give you, that a lot of people will be looking to actually short this GBP USD, but I am telling you that we will very much likely go bullish tomorrow, which is on Monday, on our GBP USD. Our Euro USD might go bearish, or that pair might go bearish against our USD. Our USD might go bullish while other pairs will fall, but this GBP will go bullish and this our USD will drop. Now see it this way. This is our support level where our price will react from and go up. This is another level where price react to. Now we are at this level. Once our price comes to this level, what are we expecting? A bullish move. Now secondly, I want you to also notice something. This was an impulse move here. This was a bearish move. Correction, sorry. There was an impulse move here. Now there is a correction. Notice that all this impulse move we are having was breaking below the previous lower lows. This was the previous lower lows. There was, let's sit there. This was a lower lows. There was a correction here, right? So this was our previous lower lows. So once we add these lows break below these lower lows. Now we add another lows which broke below this lows. Now you've already add another lows which breaks below this previous lower lows, right? What are we expecting? If it was in a downward trend, what are we expecting? A pullback level. So reason number two is that tomorrow will be probably be seeing a bullish move, which will probably serve as a pullback level, right, on this our weekly time frame. So watch out for it. Let's see it this way. We very much likely want to get a pullback level, which might very much go up to tap this previous lower lows here. This was the previous lower lows, right? We're very much likely to see a bullish move that will come to tap it, right? So that is why I said tomorrow we're very much likely to see a bullish move. Now see it this way. Let's sit on our daily time frame to get it completely. This was actually a bearish move. There was an impulse move here. There was a correction. We had another impulse move, right? This was a correction. Now another impulse move, huge impulse move. What are we expecting next? A correction again. So this is another level that we're very much likely to be having a bullish move the next day on our GBP USD. So we are waiting for a correction to take out these lows. This was the previous lows. We are waiting for a correction, which will possibly happen tomorrow. And secondly, this level we are currently is actually on our what do I call it, lows, our support level. We all can see the support level at this level here. Once the price came in, it bounces up. We all can see that the price came to this level again, it bounces up, and now we are currently at this level again, and we are expecting to go bullish again on our GBPUSD. So daily time frame for the next day, we would want to very much see a bullish move right on our GBPUSD. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. Now to actually enter this trade, that is the problem. Now we would want to see a multiple break of structure upward on our 30-minute time frame. Now see it on our 4-hour time frame, we are still bearish. We all can see this an impulse move here. There was a correction. This was an impulse move. We had another correction here, and now we are having an impulse move. So if you possibly have an impulse move downward, a little bit of an impulse move downward on our GBPUSD, then I can assure you, then we start going bullish on our GBPUSD. So once we have this little bit of a drop, I think probably 50-70 pips. Once we have this 50-70 pips, then our price should actually reverse and give us that bullish move we are all expecting on our GBPUSD. Now let's see it on our USD index. We'll start with our daily time frame to be quick. We start, this was the previous highs here, so price dropped, by the way. So there was an impulse move here. There was a correction. Another impulse move was made here. We had this correction, another huge impulse move. You can see all these impulse moves we are having were breaking above our previous impulse move. Now we had another impulse move. Now we are on a correction, by the way. So once we start having this drop again on our USD, then we should be seeing a bullish move on our GBP. Now see this time frame. There are two ways we very much likely see that in our USD index we drop to. Once we can actually see it drop to this level here. Let me wait. We can actually see it drop to this level here, or we can actually see it drop to this level here. One, see it has actually gotten to this level. We're very much likely to see a bullish move on our USD index. By the way, that does not mean our bearish move on our 4-hour time frame is over on US index. We can still very much likely see a drop again to our US index to this level we just talked about on my USD index, then we will see a rise up. So there are two ways our USD index can give us that bullish move. So we might see the bullish move at this level or see it at this level. But one thing I know is that our GBPUSD is about to give us a bullish move, which will serve as a pullback on our daily time frame. So watch out for it. GBPUSD, we are very much likely to go long on our GBPUSD. So thank you very much.